Hello everyone, welcome back to another Star Wars collector review. This is not a lightsaber, this is something I've been really excited about, the Wedge Antilles Black Series helmet. This is really cool. Wedge is one of my favorite characters in Star Wars. His helmet's one of my favorite designs. I love everything about it. Alright, so no more delay, let's get this thing open, and full disclosure, I haven't opened it yet, but I did cut the tape on this already, so this will be a real easy open here, in theory. Let's see what we have here. Oh yes. Oh yes. Holly, can I use your help real quick? Actually, I think I'm good. Okay, so this is a little different. This is down here at the bottom instead of being already attached to. This will give you actually some more comfort, I would imagine. So, that's what it looks like out of the box. I moved it because you can see me in the reflection because it's very mirrored. So I just kind of moved it so you don't have to stare at me the whole time. But this thing is really beautiful. It's pretty well detailed. I like it a lot. I like the fake dirt on it. It's kind of hard to tell in the video, but this is pretty dark. I know it looks light in the video, but once you see you can tell once the light's not on it that it's pretty dark. Looks really good. So it's actually this really hurts. I was actually kind of reluctant to even show my face in this, but I feel like I kind of have to. I look like a complete dork, and that's okay. This is really tight. I'm wondering if there's a way to adjust this at all. You can see my nose is like slamming into the visor here. This is not comfortable. It says do not adjust the blaster shield, so this can't move up. I know the Poe Dameron one does move up. This one does not. But I'm gonna see if I can adjust this because this is not comfortable. Update, I got it to fit comfortably on my big stupid head, so that's a good thing. So what I said before about it not fitting right, I take it back. It fits perfectly now. Perfectly, close to perfect. There's a switch back there underneath the Imperial insignia, and that's how you switch it right there. You can see it there in between. That's how you switch it between Hoth and Yavin. So let's just fire it up and see how it sounds. Okay, found some batteries. I had to take all the stuffing out of this right now because I need to find a way to like pat it like that so I can still see out of this thing. So I found out if you press it, you just get a droid sound. So like the instructions say, you just press the button in like a short press, they call it, to hear from R2A3. I don't know if you can hear that. But a long press will actually start, and we start with Yavin. Let's see. I'm gonna turn. This is out of focus. I'm sorry, guys. So here's the thing, it looks way cooler in the helmet than it does in the reflection, even because I was watching it in the screen, but it looks really cool. And you can kind of like get to the next part by pressing the button. It looks pretty convincing there. So like you can cycle through this. This has got to be like a long audio loop. Huh. All right, let's switch it over to the Battle of Hoth and see what that sounds like. All right, let's see what R2A3 has to say. Cool, we're on. It does sound like you're in a speeder, that's really cool. I don't know if you guys can hear this or not. I won't know until I play the audio back. But I know what I'll do in a second.
Echo Station 3PA, we have spotted Imperial Walker.
Oh, you can hear the AT-ATs. That's kind of creepy. I don't know if you can hear that. Oh, the Hoth one's way cooler.
Wedge, I've lost my gunner. You'll have to take this shot. I'll cover for you. Set your harpoon. Follow me on the next pass.
That's so cool.
Steady road 2.
Hearing that iconic sound of the AT-AT walker is kind of creepy when you can hear it this well. And you can hold it down to turn off. That's cool. That's good to know. But this thing's cool. Okay, so what I did is I put the camera inside the helmet and see how you guys, if you can see anything at all. I'm going to lift it up a little bit too in a second and see if you guys, I don't know how I'm going to do this. We'll leave it like that. We'll leave it just like that, and you were in the helmet right now. And so you can kind of see. The sounds and everything.
Echo Station 3PA, we have spotted Imperial Walker. Wedge, I've lost my gunner. You'll have to take this shot. I'll cover for you. Set your harpoon. Follow me on the next pass. Steady road 2.
So it's a cool little experience. I don't know how reusable it is, like unless you're just a huge fan like I am. I honestly don't know why you'd be buying this if you're not a huge fan. I do wish that this came in like already set up, but it is kind of cool that it's customizable, because I guess if it did come in that way, I wouldn't be able to adjust it. But I'm gonna have to finagle this and find out a good way to use it. I wish it was a little bit louder, and I wish this had some sort of talking capability, like the Poe Dameron one. You can talk to BB-8, and that's how you trigger the audio. Other than that, man, it's really cool. And like I said, Wedge is one of my favorite characters, and this helmet's one of my favorite helmets ever. So I'm very excited about this one. I actually did a podcast not too long ago that was top 10 helmets that the Black Series should do, and this was my number one. It was before it was announced. So pretty exciting. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment down below, and subscribe. Let me know if you like the helmet. If you have the helmet, what do you think? Where does it rank in your Black Series helmet collection? And that's it for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, may the force be with you.